NSF International's Certified for Sport app helps you find safer supplements. It is fast, smart, and very convenient. You can use it to easily find supplements that are tested and certified, whether you're looking for your favorite brand, a supplement to help you achieve a goal, such as endurance or hydration, or a specific product type such as amino acid or protein. And just use the notification and favorites features to stay up to date on sports supplements and brands that matter to you. The Certified for Sport app can also help you choose between certified products. Simply compare up to 3 products on one screen to find the right product for your needs. When shopping, you can even use the app to quickly check if a product is certified for sport. Simply scan the barcode on the label and let the app check it for you. Knowing a product has been tested for banned substances is important for anyone looking for cleaner supplements. Whether you are a professional athlete, play competitive sports, or are focused on fitness and a healthy lifestyle, download the Certified for Sport app and find safer certified supplements in just a few seconds. Getting off to a faster start has never been easier.